Ipinagmalaki ng militar na naging matagumpay sila sa kanilang Internal Security Operations Program sa mga liblib na pook na pinananahanan ng mga rebelde at teroristang grupo. Ayon sa opisyal na tagapagsalita ng Armed Forces of the Philippines, Brigadier General Jose Mabanta, nagmistulang cat and mouse game ang nangyayari sa sandaling makadiskubre ang militar ng panibagong scheme laban sa mga rebelde.
Remember, it's a cat and mouse game. As soon as we find out or uncover a system, a certain scheme, readily the mouse will look for another scheme. So it's a, an evolving, ever-changing mouse and cat and mouse game.
Dagdag pa ni Mabanta na dahil sa maigting na programa ng AFP sa kanilang internal security operations ay napilay na nila ng tuluyan ang gulugod ng mga komunistang rebelde kung kaya't inihanda na nilang maisalin sa pulisya ang natitirang problema ng insurhensiya at tututukan na lamang ng AFP ang external operations ng bansa.
We feel that the armed forces has been doing a good job in the ISO. And the strength of the CPP-NPA has been down, or is down to its lowest number. It's down to less than 5,000. With that in mind, the armed forces would like to shift from internal mode to external mode and leave behind the problem really to the Philippine National Police and to the LGUs. Okay. When we talk about external threat, this what comes to our mind are terrorists emanating from foreign lands. So this...
Brigadier General Jose Mabanta, RH 911, Bing Permento ng DCRH, Nationwide.